Hey, it's me again, and my mom just walked in with a big breakfast from McDonald's, so, take a look at it. Yeah, I didn't want any pancakes. Alright, open it. Over here. Oh, ooh, hash browns. Oh, she got me a couple extra like I asked. Ooh, that's some good jelly. Oh, a couple of them fell out. We'll put them back in. I'll put them back in for now. I don't want them out of the sleeve yet. Oh, here's the jelly. Ah, oh, what ketchup? Well, that went well. Pull the eggs a little bit. Alright. Bon appetit to me. Well, I don't like these biscuits. Bon appetit to me. Here we go. That's good. Yeah, real good. Alright. Alright, that is delicious. That's just what I needed. One hash brown eaten. Alright, have some more eggs. Well, let me give it. I'm gonna see if we have some jelly in the fridge for sausage, and I like some jelly in the hash browns too. Alright. I don't see any, so. Well, there might be. I did see some in there, but I at the last moment I didn't want it. Alright, I'm gonna have some sausage now. Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah. Big breakfast is slowly disappearing. And now we have an empty platter. Still 2 hash browns. So good. Got a hash brown right there. And now it's time to eat the last one.
Hey, Pam. You eating breakfast?
Uh-huh. Alright. I'll just walk through the room. That is really good. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.
Rate, comment, subscribe. Uncle Sam's Orders.